Welcome everyone, let's jump right in. Start with 2 signs like these. Take off any extra pieces, example the Let It Snow piece as well as the ribbon and staples in the back. On the back, I glued down 2 gigantic craft sticks to hold the 2 signs together to form one large sign. Now using the Dollar Tree acrylic white paint, I paint the back of the sign. Now taking 8 gigantic craft sticks, I trim off the ends to form a border all around the sign. I start with the sides and then fit the top and the bottom. Now using the Dollar Tree acrylic black paint, I paint the gigantic craft stick border. Taking my 12-piece glitter foam shapes, I will lay them out how I want them to look. Now I will adhere the pieces to the sign using the Dollar Tree Craft Medley Decoupage and Collage Glue/Sealer. You do not want to use hot glue to glue these down. The final step, I take a Dollar Tree metal word that comes in a 3-piece pack, and using my E6000 glue, I add it to the back of the word and then place it in the center of my sign. Let dry. And here is a beautiful, simple, easy spring sign to enjoy in your home or gift to a loved one. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.